Alright, so welcome back again. So right now, let me do the second left Linux banner. So yeah, let me try together. Lab provision and getting ready. How about this challenge? Alright. So during the monthly compliance meeting, it was pointed out that several servers in the Stratos DC do not have a valid banner. So maybe about the burner, maybe something's wrong, maybe something does not appear, does not show properly. So something's getting wrong, right? So the security team has provided several approved templates which should be applied to the servers to maintain the compliance, mainly for compliance. So this will be displayed to the user upon a successful login. That means if user trying to log into a server, that it will show a successful sign or banner. So we're gonna have to update the message of the day on the application server, but it's every single server on every single application server. So we have 3 server, right? So app server 1 and app server 2, app server 3. So for Nautilus, make use of the approved template located. So approved templates is located in this directory, and this file. So let me check that file on the JumpHost server. Right now we are on the JumpHost server. So like that. So this is a kind of banner that we're gonna move to. That we're gonna copy something like that to the to the app server, right? So how do we do that? I already have here some comments. Here is like that. So first of all, we will move to, or we copy to the app server 1 using this command line. So this is same, right? Home, the issue of thor Nautilus banner, right? So home thor Nautilus banner. So currently we will keep in the temporary directory because we cannot. Actually, we have to save in the like this, etc MOTD directory. We're gonna have to save there exactly, but we cannot do like that. If we do like that, we may have some permission error. Yeah, you can check it out maybe. So etc like this. MOTD means message of the day, right? So I will place right there. So it would ask the password of the app server 1. So app server 1 password is this. I will use that. So you see we have the permission error because this etc directory is owned by the root user. So if we don't have the root user privilege, we cannot access to that directory. So now we do the temporary directory, we save there, and then we copy to this exact directory, specific directory. So Tony passwords. Alright, so we save there, we copy there, and then we will use this second line. Alright, so I'm gonna say yes. So and the password is this. I paste right there. Alright, we did it. And then we do for the app server 3. App server 3 username is not Steve, is banner, BNN banner. Alright, so I will do like that. So I will say yes, and then banner password is this, and I will copy it and paste right there. Alright, we successfully copied there using secure copy SCP. So, and then we will try to log into the app server 1 using this. So app server 1 password is this. Alright, so we can check ls tmp directory. So you will see the Nautilus banner village task file. So we will move from temporary Nautilus banner to the etc MOTD. So we use this command line. So I don't know passwords again. Alright, so there is it. So let me try it again. Tony at stapp step 01, and password is, yeah, now we see like that when we're trying to log in. So it will, this means it's successfully logged in. Yeah, so this is a warning sign. This is a warning sign. All Nautilus system are monitored and edited. Log of them immediately if you're not authorized. So we did it. Alright, so now we are going to the app server 2, using the same command line. For using the same command line, this is app server 2. So we will paste the app server 2 password right there. So here also we will use this command, because in the app server 2 we can check ls tmp directory, and that's we keep the banner here. You will see the Nautilus banner. So in the temporary directory, but we have to move to the specific, we have to copy, right? We can do copy or we can move, something like that. So we move to etc MOTD message of the day directory. So I will do like that, and here password again. So you can test again here. So sh and Steve. Yeah, on the app server 2 now we see the Nautilus banner. Bailey banner. Alright, so now we are doing for the app server 3. So app server 3 is banner. Username is banner. We're trying to log in with SSH. So banner password is this. We will use that password. And then this time we will move to copy using sudo cp from temporary Nautilus banner to the etc MOTD. So I will copy this password again and I paste right there. Yeah, we successfully did it. So is it? So you can check it again. Do we see the value banner test? Yeah, this is a banner. So this is a banner. So we see it on every single server. So that's it. So we check it out and click confirm. Yeah, we successfully finished. Alright, so thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.